Good afternoon. Thank you for giving your consent to be filmed. So today we want to share to you my group's infographic, which is about Republic Act number 9262 or the Anti-Violence Against Women and Children Act. So can I ask you if you've heard of this before?
Yeah, I've actually heard of it in passing in one of my classes before.
So what do you know about it so far?
Well, from the name itself, I can tell that this is a law that aims to protect the rights of women and children because they're the ones who are seen as vulnerable in society.
So is that like the extent of your knowledge for now?
Yes.
Okay, so I'd like to present my infographic first, which is again about RA 9262. So you have the right idea. It is about protecting women and children, but against what kind of violence, you might ask? So it's against all kinds of violence, like economic, physical, psychological. And who is this violence being committed by? It's in particular committed by the intimate partners of the women. So this includes husbands, ex-husbands, boyfriends, and ex-boyfriends. So you might wonder, why is it just limited to intimate partners? Well, it's actually one of the statistics shows that 17.5% of women in the Philippines have experienced violence from their intimate partners. So as you can see, it's a very prevalent problem. So what can we do about it? So we know about the Anti-Violence Against Women and Children Act. So how does it affect us? So we have to know how is it protecting us in the first place, diba? So there's a law, of course, so it's going to be through legal means how it protects us. So one of the ways is in issuing protection orders, which it's kind of similar to restraining orders, where you prevent the abuser from going near the victim. And after that, it also mandates government agencies so that you can report cases to them so that they'll respond. So how about us? What will we do about it, like as individuals? So one of the things, of course, is to support survivors, diba? We have to advocate for their rights, and we have to also support those that we know are undergoing violence against women and children. And after that, we also have to report cases. So in this part, I want to emphasize that this is not just when it's being done to you, it can also be when you witness it being done to someone else, because violence against women and children is a public crime, not just against the victim, but against the whole society. After that, who will we report these cases to? It's to the government, and here we have the contact information. So you can look at that later. We'll be giving you this infographic. And then, how can we avoid it? So, prevention is always better than the cure. So, it's just like what we're doing now. We have to spread awareness about this act and about violence against women and children in general. So can I ask your reaction, like how do you feel after learning about this act?
Well, it makes me think that if ever in the future I personally know someone who's going through violence, then, I can steer them toward the right resources, and I know that there will be people and government agencies who can help them get out of that helpless situation. So thank you so much for teaching me about this.
Yeah, thank you so much for your time.